toys on the floor, put them back behind the door. Dolls and dinos in their bed, books go back on shelves instead. Shirts and socks go in the bin, that's how laundry can begin. If your pants are full of dirt, toss them in and change your shirt. Crumbs and dust, let's sweep and neat, with broom and brush beneath our feet. Wipe the table, clear the tray, now it shines, hooray, hooray! Toys like beds to rest at night, books like shelves to sleep just right. Shoes need pairs and coats a hook, let's give them all a cozy nook. Working together we clean as a team, it's fast and fun, just like a dream. We help at home with every chore, and feel so proud, who could ask for more? Now our space is nice and clean, the tidiest it's